Okay, I fixed the issue with poor heating where the feet are in my Toyota Prius. So this is the driver's side in the UK version. So let me show you what I did, what the issue was in my case. So the challenge was, there was two kind of things that were happening. It was this white wheel there inside. So let me see if I can show it. This is the one I'm pointing there. So if I go underneath, it's kind of how to find it. It's a difficult access there. We've got this thing, but it is possible to get there to that wheel. Yeah, this one, yeah, this white wheel there, and it needs to be moved by one. So the challenge was, so if you look into that area, let me see if I can point it to you, that where the flap is, it's going to close and open in a moment. I'll show you. By the way, I think there is a plastic air duct missing here, because as you can see in the photos, there is one on the other side, on the passenger side. I couldn't find any. So if you have a spare one, let me know. I could really use it. I'm in London, by the way. And it wasn't closing high enough. Oh, it dropped again, blimey. Anyway, I moved the wheel down by one tooth. So I popped it out a bit, moved it down, and this moved back, and it was fine. Now it's actually down again, so I will need to fix it again, but that fixed the problem initially, so let's see if I can do it again. Okay, so it's working. I don't know what the best way to show it is, maybe from here. Okay, so that's the black thing, and look, it's touching the top, and now look what happens when I start changing the modes. Okay, so I'm pressing the mode, so now it's the window and down. Now it's up, only up the driver, medium level, and then again I'm pressing again. Now it's the middle at the bottom, so the feet, and once again, and now it's just the feet, and it should go to the very top, and it did. It sealed the top. If there is a marginal space there, it will leak cold air, unfortunately. And then I'm pressing again, and the whole cycle repeats. Okay, once again, done. Okay, so how I did it, I was simply kneeling here on these things, and then I leaned forward on my elbows, and I kind of put one of my hands there, looking through this gap here, and I managed to figure it out. Yeah, it took me a few minutes. It was a bit challenging and tiring, but with a bit of luck you can do it in a minute, if not 5 to 10 minutes, and you should be done. Okay guys, so yeah, good luck with that. Cheers. So how it was for me, there was hot air on the feet, but on the passenger side, on the driver's side, it was cold for a long time, and then a bit of a warm air, but it wasn't very hot. So I've got hot air in the car, but not on the driver's feet, and I fixed it now, and that's how I did it. So there is this wheel, I needed to remove it. Actually, I removed it to have a good look at it, but I didn't really need to. It's enough to take it out a bit and then put it back in its place, you know. So it was challenging, but I did it. All good, you know. Good luck with that.